Okay.
Here comes the Sky Mule. So quiet.
Yeah.
Mike, it banks very nicely considering it doesn't have flaps. And this is flying without flaps. This is how well behaved it is. I'm gonna do one figure eight around the field and then we're gonna land. I'm gonna try to do 2 landings at least though, just to prove that it works. So I'm coming way out. Coming in at 20% throttle. Ha. We're gonna take off right from there. I'm kind of curious to see what this thing can do with the rudder. If it actually responds to rudder. And it does, that was left rudder. Let's see if I get right rudder. Right rudder, I got right rudder. It actually does better on its belly with a rudder than it did with landing gear and a stick. Taking off. Total control. I can do anything. Wow, did that work well. I still won't try a dead stick landing, a no power landing though, Mike. Just in case you're listening. It needs a little bit of power. This is just a touch and go. And now I'm going to come in for a real landing.
Come to my left.
Can I do one more?
Sure.
How many feet was that to take off?
3, 4?
Well, it's got a patch there that's maybe about 11 feet where the pan was still on the snow. Doesn't seem to the wind doesn't seem to bother it. It's not knocking it out of the sky, nothing. All right, last landing.
To my right.
I'll taxi here. I just got to pretty it up now. I got to do one more flight. I got a little drift to the right, to the left that I got to nudge out. It is hard to see on a hazy day. I'm going to try to do a really low and slow. I'm going to get behind you. Let's see if this can do loops and rolls. I'm going to get a little altitude. Loop.
Nice.
Boy, it had no trouble doing a loop. How about a roll? No trouble doing a right roll. Now let's get up some speed and do a left roll. Well behaved. It's hard to not fly. The weather's nice, it's not too windy, it's not too cold. And I know this battery's probably about dead. So coming in 10% power. It doesn't have any directional stability. So you do have